Hello everyone and welcome back to Magic English Channel where learning English is easy, practical and fun. I'm Ryan.
And I'm Sophie. We're so happy you're here with us today. How are you feeling today, Ryan?
I'm feeling great, Sophie, but I have a question for you.
Oh, that sounds serious. What is it?
Have you ever stayed at a hotel in another country?
Yes, I have. And honestly, sometimes I didn't know what to say in English.
Exactly. That's why today's lesson is very important.
Today we are going to talk about English conversation at a hotel.
That's a super useful topic. Many people travel for vacation, business, or study. And when you travel, you usually stay at a hotel.
Right? And sometimes it can feel scary if you don't know the right English sentences.
But don't worry. Today, we will practice step by step, from checking in to checking out.
Before we start, everyone, please subscribe to Magic English Channel, like this lesson, and share it with your friends who want to improve their English.
Your support really helps us create more lessons like this. Thank you so much.
Okay, Ryan, let's begin our hotel journey.
So imagine this. You arrive at the hotel. You walk to the front desk. The receptionist smiles and says, "Good evening. How can I help you?"
What should I say?
If you already have a reservation, you can say, "I have a reservation."
That's simple.
Yes. And the receptionist might ask, "May I have your name, please?"
And I answer, "It's Sophie Lee."
Perfect. Or they might ask, "Can I see your passport, please?" And you say, "Sure. Here you are."
Very natural.
Then the receptionist checks the computer and says, "Yes, Ms. Lee, you booked a double room for 3 nights. Booked means reserved, right? And they might confirm, is that correct?
And you say, "Yes, that's right."
Easy. Then they might say, breakfast is included. Or, breakfast is not included.
Included means it is part of the price. Good explanation.
They may also say, checkout time is 12 p.m.
And here is your room key. Your room number is 504. Then I say, "Thank you."
Always say thank you. Now, let's do a small role play. I'll be the receptionist.
And I'll be the guest.
Good evening. How can I help you?
Hi, I have a reservation under the name Sophie Lee.
May I see your passport, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. You booked a single room for 2 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Great. Here is your key. Your room number is 504. Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
See, that's not scary at all. No, it's actually very simple.
Now imagine you are in your room, but you need something. For example, maybe you need Wi-Fi. You can call the front desk and say, "Hello, could you tell me the Wi-Fi password, please?"
Very polite.
Or maybe the air conditioner is not working. You can say, "Excuse me, the air conditioner isn't working." Or, "There seems to be a problem with the air conditioner."
Very good sentence.
If you need extra items, you can say, "Could I have an extra towel, please?" "Could I get another pillow, please?" Another pillow, extra towel. Very useful.
What if the room is too noisy?
You can say, "The room is a bit noisy. Is it possible to change rooms?"
Wow, that's advanced but very useful.
Yes, especially if you can't sleep. Now it's morning. You go down for breakfast. The staff might say, "Good morning. What's your room number?"
And you answer, "Room 504.
Simple. If breakfast is not included, they might say, "Breakfast is $10 per person."
Per person means for each person.
Right. You can also ask, "What time does breakfast end?" Or, "What time does the restaurant close?"
Very practical questions.
Hotels are also great places to ask for help. For example, you want to visit a tourist attraction. You can ask, Could you recommend a good restaurant nearby? Or, how can I get to the city center?
The receptionist might say, you can take a taxi, or you can take the subway.
If you need a taxi, you can say, could you call a taxi for me, please?
So polite and easy.
Now it's the last day. It's time to check out. You go to the front desk and say, I'd like to check out, please.
That's the key sentence. The receptionist might ask, can I have your room key?
You give it and say, here you are.
Then they check your bill and say, your total is $300.
If everything is correct, you say, okay.
If something looks wrong, you can say, excuse me, I think there is a mistake.
Very important sentence. Yes. Always check your bill carefully.
Then they might ask, how would you like to pay?
And you can say, I'll pay by card. Or, I'll pay in cash.
After payment, they say, thank you for staying with us.
And you reply, thank you. I had a great stay.
That's a very nice sentence.
Let's do one full conversation quickly. I'll be the receptionist again.
And I'll be the guest.
Good afternoon. How can I help you? Hi, I have a reservation under the name Ryan Smith. May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you are.
Thank you. You booked a double room for 3 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Great. Here is your key. Breakfast is included. Checkout time is 11 a.m.
Thank you.
3 days later.
Hello, I'd like to check out, please.
Of course. Can I have your room number?
Room 210.
Your total is $450.
Okay, I'll pay by card.
Thank you. Here is your receipt.
Thank you for everything. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a safe trip.
That's the complete hotel experience.
You don't need perfect grammar.
You don't need long, complicated sentences.
Short, clear, polite English is enough.
Use these magic words. Please, thank you, excuse me, sorry. They make everything better.
Exactly. Confidence is more important than perfection.
Practice with a friend. One person is the receptionist, the other is the guest.
Switch roles. Repeat again and again. That's how you improve.
Thank you so much for learning with Magic English Channel today. We hope you feel more confident staying at a hotel in English.
In the comments, tell us, have you ever stayed in a hotel in another country? Where did you go?
We love reading your stories. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep smiling.
See you in the next lesson. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye for now.